Okay students, so today we are going to do the second part of exercise 12.1. The first question, find x. Certain figures are given and you have to find the value of x. Okay, so here the first one is 40 degree, 140, 100 and x. It's a quadrilateral. So angle sum property is for a quadrilateral the sum of all angles is 360. Okay, so here you have to find out x. So what will be x? X is equal to 360 minus, you add up this one, 140 plus 40, it is 180, 180 plus 100, it is 280, that is 80 degree. So you got x as 80 degree. Now we are going for the second one. Second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, it is a pentagon. Okay, and here you have to again find x. So how are you going to find the x? The sum of all angles of a pentagon is sum is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3 into 180, it is 540 degree. And here all the angles 2x is given, 2x plus 40x. Before that you have to find out what is this one. This I am putting it as A and this I am putting it as B. So what is A? A is equal to, this is a straight angle, so straight angle, that is 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree, right? Now next one for B is 180 minus 80, it is 100 degree. Okay, so you got these two. Now you can add up. The sum should be 540. So it is x plus x is 2x, 2x plus 40 plus 120 plus 100 should be equal to 540. So what is 2x? 2x will be 540 minus 100 plus this is 220, it is 260. So it is 0, 8 and 4. This is 280. So 2x is 280. So what is x? X is equal to 140 degree. So here you got the value for x. X is equal to 140 degree. Okay. Now the third one is you are given an exterior angle x which you have to find out, and this symbol represents 90 degree, 110, 83. So before going into this one, this is a quadrilateral, so sum should be 360. Sum of all angles is 360 degree, and this one you have to find out. So this I am putting it as P. So P equals, how much it should be? 360 minus the whole sum. 90 plus 110 is 200, so 283. So 10 minus this one is 7, 15 minus 8, 7. So it is 77 degree. So P you got it as 77. Now you will get x because this is a straight angle. X is equal to 180 minus 77. That is 10 minus 7 is 3, and so it is 103 degree. So you got x, the value of x is 103 degree. So this is the way you solve the questions when the figures are given. You have to first count the number of sides. As per that, the sum of the angles will differ. Okay students, so we are going for the next question. Next question is question number 9. That is, figure is given, you have to find out x plus y plus z. Now it's not like the previous question. Previous questions you were finding the sum of interior angles. Here see that, what is it? These are exterior angles. So what is the sum of exterior angles of any polygon? It is 360 degree, whatever the sides may be. Sides can be 4, 5, 10, 15, whatever it is, the sum of all the exterior angles will be 360. So here x plus y plus z, you have to prove it as 360. Now this is an exterior angle, and this one is, so x is, this is a straight angle, so x is 90 degree because this sine is 90. So here x will be 90 degree. Okay, now you got x. What about for this one? For y, y is equal to 180 minus 70, because this is a straight line. So 180 minus 70, it is 110 degree. So here it is 110 degree. 110 plus 70 is 180. Now what about this one? This you have to find out. Then you will get the z, or else you can, the sum is, you know, the sum of all exterior angles is 360. So either way, so 90 plus 70, it is 160. 160 means this will be 200. This is 160 means this will be 20 degree. Okay, so this will be 20 degree. So z will be, so z is equal to 160 degree. Okay, z is equal to 160 degree, because this is a straight line. How you got this as 20? 90 plus 70, it is 160. Sum of interior angles is 180. So 180 minus 160 is 20 degree. So here, or else you can add up this one. These two, it is 200. So this will be 360 minus 200. That is, so what is x plus y plus z? So x plus y plus z equal to 1, x is 90 plus 110 plus 160. That is 200 plus 160. That is 360 degree. So you got here as 360 degree. X plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree. Now next question. We will go for the next question. It is question number 10. And question number 10, the first, it has got two parts. So first the figure is given. Again it is exterior angles. So you have to find out. See, you have to find out x. Find x. 100, 120, 80, and you have to find out. It is a four-sided figure. So 4 external angles. So x plus 100 plus 120 plus 80 equal to 360, because sum of exterior angles. Now it is 200, 300. So x is equal to 360 minus 300, that is 60 degree. So you got x as, x is equal to 60 degree in the first part. Okay, now next one. Next one is certain values are given here, that is 70 degree, this is x, and here it is not given, but instead of that interior angle is given. So this will be 90 degree. Y means the other one is 90, and here it is 60, and this again it is 90 degree. So it is a pentagon. So x plus all the exterior angle, whether it is pentagon or whether it is hexagon, the sum of exterior angles is 360 degree, equal to 360 degree. So it is x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 equal to 360 degree. So what is x? X is equal to 360 minus 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 60, it is 240, 240 plus 70, it is 310. So it is 50 degree. X you got it as 50 degree. So here the exterior angle is, sum of all exterior angles equal to, for any polygon it is 360 degree. So you got the answers for both. This is 60 degree and this is x is equal to 50 degree. Okay. Okay students, so we are going for the 11th question. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose exterior angle has a measure of 24 degree. That means it is different from the previous questions where we found out interior angles. Here it is exterior angle. Sum of all exterior angles is 360, and each exterior angle will be, you will divide 360 upon number of sides. Now number of sides you have to find out, and each exterior angle is given. So each exterior angle, the formula you know, it is 360 upon number of sides, that is given as 24. So how will you find number of sides? Number of sides is 360 upon each exterior angle, that is 24. 30 by 2, it is 15. So how many sides the first one has got? It has got 15 sides, and each exterior angle is 24 degree. Now next is 72. So it is 360 by 72. It's 10 by 2. That is 5. 5 sides. 5 sides, it's a pentagon. Okay. So you got 5 sides. Next is find the measure of each exterior angle if the sides are given. The formula is same because sides are given. So each exterior angle is 360 upon n. N is given as, the first case it is 9 sides. So it is 360 by 9. It is 40 degree. And the second one, there are 12 sides. So 360 by 12. So for the 12 sides, the measure of each angle is equal to 360 upon 12. That is 30 degree. So the first one you got it as 40 degree, and the second one you got it as 30 degree. Okay. So we'll go for the next question. Last question of the exercise is each interior angle is double its exterior angle in a polygon. In a polygon, the interior angle is double that of exterior angle. Find the number of sides of the polygon. What is the relationship between interior angle and the exterior angle? That is, their sum will be 180. So here each interior angle. So let the exterior angle be x. Okay. So what about the interior angle? It is double. So interior angle will be 2x, equal to 2x. So see that if this is the interior angle, this will be 2x. So their sum, that is sum of exterior and interior angle. Exterior and interior angle equals to 180. This is straight angle, so it is 180 degree. Okay. In case of rectangle also, all the polygons, interior plus exterior will be 180. So that is x plus 2x will be equal to 180. So 3x is equal to 180. So what about x? X is equal to 60 degree. You got it, x? What is x? X is the exterior angle. So exterior angle, you got it as 60 degree. Okay. Now each exterior angle you got it as 60 degree. So find the number of sides. What is the formula? Each exterior angle is equal to 360 by number of sides. So that is equal to 60 degree. So what will you find? And number of sides is equal to 360 by 60. It is 6 side. So 6 side is a hexagon. So number of sides is equal to 6. So understood? That is, it is a hexagon.